Just a short video to explain the potentially massive tax advantages of running an electric company car. So from the 6th of April 2020, the government brought in 0% benefit in kind tax rate for fully electric vehicles. This will rise to 1% for the next tax year, and then the following tax year rises by a further 1% and ends up at 2% benefit in kind tax rate. This is massively more beneficial than a petrol or diesel engine car, and I'll run through an example shortly which will explain the differences. For this example, we'll compare a BMW 3 Series diesel against a Tesla Model 3 electric car, and for the purposes of this example, we'll assume a company director earning a £10,000 salary, £40,000 dividends, and with 2 children.
Here are the personal tax figures for the BMW 330 diesel. With a list price of £41,840 and emissions of 162 grams of CO2 per kilometre, the BMW would attract a benefit in kind charge of 35% of its list price. This would result in a benefit in kind value of £14,644 for the car and £8,575 for the fuel, giving a total benefit in kind value of £23,219. This will attract tax at 20% for an amount of £4,644, but importantly, the value of the benefit in kind pushes more dividends into the higher rate tax band, costing a further £7,546. In addition to this, the child benefit value will be lost because the income will go above £60,000. This will result in an overall annual tax cost of £13,960. Moving on to the Tesla, it has a slightly higher list price than the BMW at £43,435. However, because it doesn't have any CO2 emissions, the benefit in kind tax rate for the current year is 0%. Therefore, there is no income tax to pay, no impact on the dividends, and no loss of child benefit, giving an overall annual tax cost for the current year of 0. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the tax cost for the two vehicles. It's important to know that over the next 2 years, each car will have an increase in the benefit in kind rate of 1% per year, so therefore the tax differential between the two cars will remain the same. Over a typical 3-year lease or purchase term, the tax cost of the BMW will actually exceed its original list price, costing well over £40,000 in tax in this particular example, while a Tesla will likely to cost less than £1,000. There are also potential corporation tax advantages of purchasing the electric vehicle, which can attract 100% writing down allowance in the year of purchase, against 8% for the BMW in this example. If you would like to know more, or would like a specific tailored example to your circumstances, please contact us here at NR Barton and we'll be happy to do that for you. Thank you.